First time doing a wheelie ever. Let's see how it works. What's good? Welcome back to Two Wheel Love Garage. Yeah, I know it's a BD250 for y'all that want to come for me in the comments. I'm gonna try something different. Let's see how it works. Let's see if it works. One eternity later. Yeah, boy. doing a wheelie ever. Guess what? I probably never try it again. So that's it, guys. I just want to show you guys that the BD250 is capable of doing a wheelie. If you have experience, unlike myself, I don't have experience. There you have it. I'm teaching that. I was terrified. I'm like, let's try something new. Oh, man. So, will I be trying to do wheelies again? No. That's okay. Too much work. There's a lot of work trying to lift that bike up, put on the back of the seat. Ooh. Oh, man. That thing got me winded. Better be in shape doing wheelies out there. You're gonna get a bad case of out of breathness. Oh man, this thing, we didn't want to wheelie at first, and I think it was because I didn't want to wheelie. It wasn't the, what do you say, machine, it was the operator. It was the operator there. Yeah, but once I got on there, I couldn't do it sitting on this seat right here. I couldn't do it sitting on this, so I had to sit back there and do it in first gear. Once I did it in first gear, I finally got up. Hey, what can I say? First time trying wheelies, will I do it again? No. Guys, if you like the content, subscribe for more. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I try more wheelies? Should I try it again? Should I give it another shot? This is my first time. You guys tell me you want to see it again, you want more? I'll try to get it down on this part. We're not trying to go off. We're not trying to do all that. It's super bad. If you ride or wrench, you in the right place. Subscribe to Two Wheel Love Garage, and I'll catch you on the next one.